Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a survival canister using items mostly from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. The purpose of a survival canister is simply to sustain human life for a couple of days until help can reach you. On a recent shopping trip to Dollar Tree, I picked up all of these items for the survival canisters. I will tell more specific information about each item as I show what fits in each sized canister. You can do these canisters in several different sizes. Obviously, the bigger one's going to hold more. This medicine bottle here with a wide diameter will hold a medium amount, and the small one will hold a little amount. So you'll have to prioritize what you want in each bottle. The bigger one is good to leave in your car or in the bottom of your backpack. The middle one is good to keep in your purse or your glove compartment. And the smaller one is great to just carry in your pocket if you're going hunting or fishing, just in case. It is much better to be prepared and not need it than need it and not be prepared. So let me show you, out of all the things from Dollar Tree, what I end up putting in each one of these. All right, so after going through all of the stuff from Dollar Tree and opening up the bins and taking a little bit out, here's what was able to actually fit inside the large canister. On the outside, there's the slap bracelet that glows at night, the laundry pins that are on the bungee cord. I've also carabined a flashlight here and a Velcro strap. By putting these here, it maximizes the space inside the canister. The things that fit inside have dual purposes, which is very important in this kind of situation. First of all, we have the hand sanitizer, great to keep you hygienically sound, but also if you put some on this cotton ball, it will help start a fire. So that's a great way to do that. You could also have petroleum jelly on the cotton ball, but using the dual purpose of the sanitizer is just as good. I also have some baggies here. We've got this baggie, which we will be putting all the medicine and things that we want to keep dry in, just in case water were to get into the canister. Very important. I also have this trash bag. It has 3 purposes, probably more. You can use it as a poncho. You can use it as a covering over you by putting it up with laundry pins up on a tree. But also you can put all of these items into this trash bag so that you're able to drink out of the canister. So it's good to have another place to put your items. Also, I have some string here, some thread. You can use it for floss. You can use it to attach to a stick along with the safety pins so that you can fish. So having the ability to get yourself some food is very important in survival. I have an alcohol prep pad, gauze pads. This is gauze tape and a glove inside. Some Band-Aids, different sizes. Then I have a tiny piece of paper with a pen, a napkin, which could also help start a fire if needed, some change, a candle, a lighter, and matches. These all 3 will be inside that plastic bag I spoke of, so it will stay dry. A shoestring, salt packet, and sugar packet. These can come from when you go out to eat. If you put both of these inside of water, it's kind of like having electrolytes, and it helps keep you energetic. So this is very good in survival situations. I was able to squeeze in a peanut butter granola bar from the Dollar Tree. This is that water tablet to make sure you have pure water when you're drinking. Benadryl, very important out in the wilderness. Advil, and then a mint to keep the blood sugar up. So a lot of these items fit inside here, like I said, to be dry, and then I push them down into the canister. I was able to fit all of these items, including this essential oil. Oregano is the one I chose because it can help fight bacteria and viruses. The multi-tool knife is going to help you, the tweezers. All of these things have many purposes, but the main one is to sustain your life until help can be found. Here is what the second medium-sized canister looks like. This is a medium-sized pill bottle with a large diameter. There was definitely some sacrifices made in the content that got put in here, but I just had to prioritize. Let me show you what did fit inside this canister. I was able to fit these items. There's a napkin here that can be used as kindling. It can also be written on with that pen that's beside it, or used as a napkin. You have a nail clipper set that can be used as a knife if needed, or scissors if you were to cut off string. A little bit of money, and then instead of a whole spool of thread, I just took a little bit of thread off. Some safety pins. Again, these two together tied to a stick will help you to fish in dire circumstances. A couple of matches and a candle, and then a cotton ball that you will need to put some petroleum jelly on and then place inside this bag, which will help start a fire. First aid, there's some gauze that sticks to itself, a Band-Aid, and an alcohol prep pad. Advil and Benadryl, water purification tablet, again the mint to keep up your blood sugar, and for electrolytes, salt and sugar to be put inside water. You can again use the canister as your drinking cup. Just make sure that you have a baggie like this inside the canister that can hold all of the items as you transfer them so that you can use the canister as a cup. This baggie can also be used as a glove, and it can hold all of these items to keep them extra dry inside the canister. So even though there's less in this one than the big one, these items will help you survive for a couple of days if needed. Here is what the third and smallest canister looks like. Here are the items that fit into the smallest canister. More sacrifices were made, and I had to prioritize even more in order to fit all the items. I have a napkin here that can be used as kindling or a napkin, cotton ball that you will need to put some petroleum jelly on to help start a fire, a mitt to keep your blood sugar level up, a water purification tablet, again with the sugar and salt, great for electrolytes. You can drink the water out of this container again. You will be putting all of your items into this smaller baggie. Here are some Advil and Benadryl, some gauze tape that sticks to itself, a Band-Aid, and an alcohol prep pad. All of these items can fit into this baggie to make sure that they stay dry. There are some matches, and I had to cut the birthday candle a little bit in order for it to fit into the canister, but it cut very easily. Also have nail clippers and safety pins. There's also a piece of string that I added, and you can put this along with a stick and some safety pins in order to fish. So this will help you get through for a couple of days if you're in desperate need. Well, that's it on how to make a survival canister. I hope you've learned some information that will help you stay safe when you're out adventuring. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!